Data can be pretty surprising. There's always a complexity.
Data is becoming more and more important.
All the people are used now to use digital solutions, to use mobile apps, to have information at all times, to have influence on what they do.
Van der Lande is in the midst of a digital solution and service transformation.
We want to be the company that provides an overall integrated solution for our customers, and therefore digital is really key to make that happen.
We are building way more than just equipment. We are building intelligent systems.
We have robots, we have autonomous vehicles, we have cranes, we have lots of conveyor systems, etc. We simply need more data and bringing all that data together to really understand what's going on in our systems.
It's impossible for a human to just look at it physically and understand what is going on.
We are working on developing more intelligent analytics solutions. We are looking at new technologies.
We need to look at the whole thing together, bring all that data together and then get the right conclusion from that.
It's really an end-to-end solution of equipment, of software and service.
If you see our systems, our physical systems, you think, wow, this is pretty cool. And then if you think about what can I do additionally to that when I bring more intelligence, that's even more cool.
How do we make our system better is by learning what happened in the past. But to do these type of analysis, it requires the analysis of large amount of data that we need to collect.
And then as a next step, we can then start also applying artificial intelligence or reinforcement learning and adjust the way that they work without this customer having to worry about that.
I can look at what's been happening before and you see the same patterns that is going to occur again. And it's something I had not thought of before. And when I did see it, it was like, oh my God, that's so nice.
The world is more dynamic and what is happening today will tell us what is happening tomorrow. So to do that, we need more data points.
I'm actually very glad and also proud that we now established the Digital Service Factory to work on these kind of challenges with the dedicated focus it needs.
Data helps us to stay relevant for our customers. They demand it from us and it really makes sure that we stay ahead of the game.
I definitely believe in data and I definitely believe in its power and the way how it can change people's lives.
We are part of this changing people's life through the use of the latest technology, and that's a great feeling.
It's really clear and prominent in the strategy that the digital solution and service transformation is what the next phase of Van der Lande is going to be about.
So I invite everyone who has interest in data to come join us and to enjoy working with data and solve things and bring more value.
Van der Lande. Aspire, grow, achieve together.